Okay, SAT problem, SAT 1 problem says how many integers are there between 100 and 1000. How many integers we have between 100 and 1000 of all of whose digits are odd. The all digits I will choose are odd digits. Okay, let's see. The first important thing we should think about is I am thinking of a number or an integer composed of only 3 digits. Why is that? Because I'm starting from 100, so I'm checking if 100 is okay, then 101, then 102, until it's not 100. We start from 101 because he said between 100 and 1000. So the first one we have to check is 101, 102, etc. until we go till 999, right? Because it's between 100 and 1000. That's great. Between 100 and 1000, all of the integers are formed of 3 digits. From 101 to 999, 3 digits. So I am looking, I am searching for a an integer composed of only 3 digits. This is one. Second, all the integers, all the digits that we should use, they should be odd. How many odd digits we have? Is 0 odd? No. 1 is odd, right? 2, it's not. It's even. 3 is odd. 5 is odd. 7 is odd. And 9 is odd. By the way, it will take a little bit time to explain it, but it's easy to think that way. There is a way we are going to use at the end, and it's easy to find the solution because it is SAT problem, so we should find a solution fast, right? Less than a minute maybe. So 13579. That's good. I'm using these 3 digits. Simply, I can start in hundreds, right? I can start in hundreds. Start from 101. No, it's not. 102. No, it's not. Because 0 is even, right? All the digits we use should be odd. 102, 109, 110. We can't do it. We can take it. We can't count it. 111. Yes, we can count, etc., 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 until we finish the hundreds place. We start in 200s place. 200s place we can directly skip because 200 starts in 200, then 201. All of the 200 integers will be not work. I don't know about these two. These 2 digits, the units digit and the tens digit, they might be odd, right? But but this digit, which starts with 200, it's even, so it will not work. So after the hundreds place, after the 100 and above, right, 101 and above, we check the 300 something, then we check the 500 something, because the 400 is already all of them having 4 at the beginning at the hundreds place, and then 700, and then 900. And we can see how many digits in hundreds are all of the how many integers are all of them, all of their places are digits which are odd. Here the same, here the same in 500, in 700, and in 900. This is, by the way, it's not a way. It's just writing all the numbers or thinking of all the numbers and start counting them. Like for example 111, like 135, like 157, I don't know, etc. Blah blah blah. All of them. This one will not be a good way to count, right? So that's why I will use another way, right? This way is just to know in hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. This is the tens place, and this is the units place or ones place, right? The hundreds place I can use 1 in the hundreds place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the hundreds place, 7, 9. So how many places we have? How many possibilities? In other words, we have 5 possibilities in the hundreds place. And in the tens place, if I used 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, can I use them again? If I used 1 in the hundreds place, can I use 1 in the tens place? For sure. 111 is an integer composed of digit, 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 3 digits. They shouldn't be different. It's 3 digits are odd and are the same. So I can use also 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here the same. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have 5 possibilities in the hundreds place, 5 possibilities in the tens place, and 5 possibilities in the ones place. And easy we multiply to find how many in all we have integers having all the 3 used digits are odd digits. There are 125 such integers. There is a way, I still have a time, so there is a way we can use to explain this. Okay, we can think of preserving a hundreds place, right? Then a tens place, and then ones place, units place, right? What we can use in the hundreds place is either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, right? Or 7 or 9. So we have 5 different cases, 5 different possibilities over here, right? Then in the tens place, if I used 1, how many possibilities we can have in the tens place if I used 1 in the hundreds place? Also 5, because I can use 1 again, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9. Same, if I use the 3 here, I can use in the other place, right? In the other tens place, either 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9, etc. If I used 5, I can use 5 cases in the 5 possibilities here. If I use 7, I can use 5, etc. Also, if I used 1 in the tens place, I can use also either 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9 in the ones place. I don't have to do them all. If I use 3, if I use 5, etc. But how can we count them? How many possibilities, how many cases in the hundreds place? There are 5 possibilities. So it's 5 times how many possibilities we can use in the tens place. Also there are 5 possibilities. Either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. We're not thinking what we are using there. Here what we are using, right? If we used 1, we can use 5. If we used 3 also, we can use 5. So for each one of those, we can use 5. This means till now I have 25 possibilities. And how many possibilities we can use in the ones place? Also, if I use 5 here, 1 here, I can use 5 there. If I use 3 here, I can use 5 in the ones place. So how many possibilities now they are in all? Here they are 25. For each one of these 25s, I can use 5 different cases. So it's 25 times 5. The answer is 125 again. And that's it. I will try in other videos to do some more counting problems, SAT or other than SAT, to make sure that this concept is okay, you understand it. Thank you, and see you in another videos.